Put soap directly into bread like this, and you might be surprised by what this simple homemade setup can do around your home. Instead of spending money on expensive products every month, try this DIY bait idea and see how it works for you. Let's get started. Take a bar of soap, any scent, any brand, or any color, and use a grater to shred a small amount into fine flakes. You only need a small handful. Grating the soap into fine pieces helps it blend evenly with the other ingredients instead of leaving large chunks behind. The finer the flakes, the more evenly every piece of bread will be coated later, giving the mixture a consistent texture from start to finish. Now add 1 full tablespoon of toothpaste directly into the bowl with the soap flakes. Almost any regular toothpaste will work for this mixture. As you stir it in, you'll notice it begins binding the soap flakes together, creating a smoother base that's easier to mix with the remaining ingredients. Next, add 2 full tablespoons of regular sugar. Sprinkle it evenly over the mixture rather than dumping it into one spot. Sugar is commonly used in homemade bait mixtures because its sweetness can make them more attractive to certain household pests. Taking a few extra seconds to distribute it evenly helps ensure every bite-sized piece of bread later contains the same amount of the mixture. Comment below with your city. I'd love to see where everyone is watching from. Now add 1 full tablespoon of baking soda. Sprinkle it across the entire surface so it mixes evenly with the other ingredients. Once everything is in the bowl, stir slowly at first, then continue mixing until you have a thick, grainy paste with no dry pockets left. The goal is to make sure every ingredient is evenly distributed so the coating stays consistent from one piece of bread to the next. Mix thoroughly, scraping the sides and bottom of the bowl as you go. A well-mixed paste sticks better to the bread and is much easier to portion into multiple trays. To finish the mixture, take a small piece of old bread. Slightly stale bread is often easier to tear apart and holds thick mixtures well. Because it is firmer than fresh bread, tear it into small, bite-sized pieces. Then press each piece gently into the paste until every side is completely coated. The bread acts as a carrier, soaking up the mixture and helping it stay together rather than crumbling apart. Taking your time during this step ensures each piece has an even coating. Continue until every piece of bread is fully covered. A consistent coating helps every tray contain the same mixture. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now grab 2 clean plastic bottles and cut off the bottom third of each one. These flat bottoms become simple placement trays. They're lightweight, easy to move, and can be placed in tight spaces where commercial bait stations sometimes don't fit. Fill each tray with a portion of the coated bread, pressing it down gently so it stays flat and stable. Once they're ready, place the trays in areas where pests are commonly seen, such as under the kitchen sink, behind the trash can, inside cabinets near plumbing, or along baseboards. Keep them away from children and pets. Now for the reveal. What you've made is a simple homemade bait station intended to attract pests like cockroaches. The bread and sugar provide an appealing food source, while the remaining ingredients form the coating around the bait. Although many DIY pest control recipes circulate online, their effectiveness can vary, and severe infestations are usually best addressed with proven pest control methods. If you decide to try this idea, monitor the area regularly, replace old bait when needed, and maintain good sanitation by keeping food sealed and cleaning up crumbs and standing water, since these steps are among the most effective ways to discourage household pests. So what do you think of this DIY idea? Rate it from 0 to 10 in the comments. And if you know someone who's always looking for clever household tips, share this video with them so they can decide whether they'd like to try it too.